Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Well, I got a little product I'm going to be using here in the kitchen here, and I'm going to do an unboxing of it because it just came. So, well, let's get at it. Okay, so this is the box I have here, but something I noticed on it was there's some serious damage here in the back to the box. So, when we open it up, we're going to be checking out to make sure it's okay. First thing I'm going to get out of my pocket here is my everyday carry utility knife. And that was already broken off on that side there. So go ahead. Notice, tape was broken there, so yeah. Let's open it up here. Let's see what it looks like. All right, piece of styrofoam. A broken piece of styrofoam down at the other end there. Little piece of styrofoam here. Let's see what happens here. So, yeah, not too badly broken on the styrofoam there. Okay. Got the pieces here. Let's take a look here at it to see. Get the other piece of styrofoam off. Take a look at the back side, see if we can see any damage to it here. Doesn't look like it. Everything seems to be okay. This here was the area that was over the hole, so yeah, these two areas here were over the hole, so I think we'll be okay. Pull that off. Let's get that box out of the way. Let's go up here. Let's see what else we got here to take apart here. All right, gonna take off. That's interesting. Making it difficult here to get. There we go. The burner pieces off. Kind of a puzzle the way to put it in there. And then we got the hose here to remove. And the piece of paper here, that's the instructions. We'll set this down here. So what this is this is a 2-burner propane indoor portable stove. So we got the regulator and the attachment here, and then this piece here attaches right on the back there. Let's see what it says here. Important, safeguards, be careful, not getting burnt, touching hot surfaces, yeah. Light, how to light, okay, it's all, doesn't say about assembling it here, so this is going to be trial and error. That's going to be the one bad thing. It doesn't have any pictures at all talking about how to assemble stuff, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so we've got a little crown diffuser here. It goes right on each side here. Then we have a secondary one here. Make sure everything's. These are brass. All right. So quality there on that. And then of course in these. Got two little pins here on the sides that just drop right in there. Okay, so there it is, unboxed and semi-ready to use. I'll need to get it. This is a JIC fitting, so there's no Teflon tape needed. I just need to get a wrench to tighten it on there. And then this will reach down to a tank. So yeah, this wasn't bad. This was right around 100, a little bit less. I have to go back and double check it. But the thing is, with this, I'll be able to put the pressure canner over there. Whereas I can see it, yeah, there we go. Right, trying to do it, there we go, pressure canner on it, and I'll actually be able to use it. Now over here, underneath the against the wall there, underneath the cabinets where one of the refrigerators is supposed to go, I'm going to put in a wire rack shelf in there that I can set this on with the so it's better stable and everything else. I'll be able to use it over there to cook with, but that'll be coming out in a later video. So I'm just doing a quick unboxing here for you so you can see what I have, what my plans is for it to make it easier for me to pressure can, because I cannot pressure can on that stove, that electric stove. It will not work on it. My wife even just tried to pressure cook on it and it doesn't work. Now, electric stoves aren't all designed to work with pressure canners or pressure cookers. So with this, that's what we're going to wrap it up with. So before I take off though, I'm going to put a video right up here to my other channel's giveaway. Gray Man Prepping's doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And then down here I will put a playlist, and then I'll put the link to Gray Man Prepping up here, and down in here I'll put another video for you. All right, take care.